Marcus bodycoding live. Are you excited? No footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Yes, also right here in the middle of the street. No excuses. So, first, watch for yourself. Twist number 8. Let's go. Looks like that. Yeah, that's the move. Let's go. No excuses. Let's do it together. Ready? I switch the cameras. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go. With the left. We twist on the right, tap with the left. And now heel with the left. Heel. Now step on the left. Now with the right. Twist. Now with the heel. And step to the right. Again with the left. Twist. Heel. Step and twist. Twist. Heel. Step and twist. Twist. Heel. Step. Twist. Heel. Step. Twist. Heel. Step. Twist. Heel. Step. Yeah, that's the move. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. It can be also 1, 2, 3. The same move. 1, 2, 3 with the left and now with the right. 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. And you know what? You're still here. Amazing. Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Are you ready? See that you can see the feet. Let's go. We can do it with the left, with the right. Let's start with the left. Let's go. We twist with the body. We twist. We twist and tap with the heel and step. Tap. Heel. Step. Tap. Heel. Step. Tap. Heel. Step. Yeah, once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can use the hands. Try it with me. Together with the hands. Let's go. Tap. Heel. Step. Tap. Heel. Step. Don't forget to twist the hips. Yeah, use your hips. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. Yeah. So, remember, these are universal teaching moves, meaning you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, hip hop, Zumba, Kizomba. By the way, salsa you can do it on 1 and on 2, because you can do it with the right or with the left. And if you're the serious student and you want to practice that with me in the studio for free, anytime you want, check the link above, to the side, below. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for, this move, Twist 8. Yeah, that's the name of the move. That's the name of the move. Yeah, Twist 8. And do that when? Do it today, of course. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Always bodybuilding live. Yeah. So let's see you tomorrow with a new footwork. See you tomorrow.